Welcome, fellow organizers. If you are passionate about working in the decluttering and organizing field and looking to expand your client base, you are in the right place. Today, I am sharing my best marketing tip that you can use to fill up your calendar with paying clients. This is the second video in a 5-video series I'm doing on marketing your home organizing business. So click on the link here to watch the other videos, or subscribe and hit that little bell below so that you are notified when the next videos are coming out. We all know the organizing business is booming, but did you know there are 4 reasons other professional organizers might share business with you? It's weird, right? Like, why wouldn't they just keep all of that work for themselves? Why would they pass on any business at all? But I've gotten a ton of referrals and work from other home organizers, and here is why. First and foremost, organizers focus on different niches. Not all organizers specialize in the same areas. Some might be experts in closet design, while others excel in decluttering garages. If you have a unique niche like extreme clutter or financial organizing, using the KonMari method, or working with clients with ADHD, other organizers might refer clients to you when they come across projects outside their expertise. The next reason is that they are just too booked and not taking new clients. If you're a solo organizer, there's only so much time in your schedule to book appointments. Sometimes organizers get so many repeat clients that they can't handle new clients that want to work with them. Instead of turning those clients away, they might refer them to a trusted colleague in the industry, and that could be you. Next, they need assistance with a large job. Big projects or tight deadlines can be overwhelming for a single organizer. In such cases, organizers may collaborate and bring in additional help. Building strong relationships with fellow organizers can lead to these opportunities. Next, they may be moving or leaving the business. Whether it's for personal reasons or a career change, sometimes organizers leave the business. When they do, they'll want their clients to be in good hands, and their marketing efforts may still be generating leads even after they have closed their business or moved. If you've nurtured a relationship with them, they might pass their clients on to you. Attend networking events, join organizer groups, and always be open to collaborate. If you're not sure you're ready to network with other organizers or other business owners, check out my course, Selling Organization, for a complete tutorial on everything you'll need to feel comfortable and confident pitching your business to others. Check out last week's video, How to Get Paid to Organize, to find out why clients will pay a premium for organizing services and to be sure you are showing up and showing off your organizing skills. Is there a go-to marketing strategy that is working for you? Drop your response in the comments below, and let's create a community where we can learn and grow from each other. Please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.